Welcome to Chuck Salt Bricks, where in this video we are going to build this big brick craft trumpet lily. This is one of the Bricktanicals I got from Walmart. Step 1. We're going to take this part with the divots here that will be used to help move it around, and we'll add the stick onto it. Step 2. We're going to take what we had here, and now we're going to add this cone onto it. Step 3, now we're going to add this piece 2x2 round with the bars on it. We're going to take the stud side and push that down and then click on those holes there. Step 4, we're going to take this 1x1 round, and of course we're doing everything upside down, so the stud's going towards me. Studs are going this way. Try to do that again. And then we're going to take this piece that has the 3 bars on it and the 3 holes there, and we'll add that onto it. There's really, I'm going to say there's no way to line up because one has 6 parts and one has 8, so just wherever you get it. Step 5. Now we're going to take this brick here, it studs on the side and the hole on the bottom. So put the stud into the hole on the bottom, and on the top we'll put the other stud, and then we'll take that and add it to what we've been building. Step 6. Now we're going to take the yellow stud and put it on the end of the whip here. Oops, try this again. So it's on the end of the whip there, and then we're going to take the other part and we'll just push it inside. Step 7, we're going to do 2 of these. I have one done here, so I'm doing the other one. So we're going to take the 1x1 round plate, add it to the 1x1 round stud. Then we're going to add it to the stick part of this other piece. And then we'll attach one on one side and one on the other side. Step 8. Now we're going to add these white petals. So when we built this, we had this piece inside here where we had the 3 bars and the 3 holes. That's the one we're going to start on. So we're going to clip those on. 1, 2, and whoops. And 3. Step 9. We have 3 more of these. Now there's 8 bars around here, so we'll just try to put them in to make it look like where there's kind of a gap. So wherever it looks like there's more of a gap, we'll put it in those spots, because you can't really space them out, but it gives a random look there. Step 10, we're going to start making a stem. Take the green piece, put the long black pin in it, then take the parts with the balls for the ball and socket, put those on, so we have one facing each side. Step 11, we're going to take this green piece and we're going to put this black pin, short black pin, into it. Now we're building 3 of those, and then we're going to connect those on top. Let's see, where are we doing? Yes, so the black pin needs to go up, so we're going to connect those on the top. Step 12. Earlier we had the piece that I said had the divot in. This one is the opposite, so it's open in the middle, and we got ratcheting rough parts on the side. So we'll add that to the top of that. Step 13. Now on the bottom, we're going to add this large green stick. Step 14, we're going to add the large leaves we had to those balls of the ball and socket, and you can adjust them however you want when you get this done. Step 15, we will add the 2 parts together. Step 16, which I say is an optional step, we're going to do the same as we've done before. We're going to put this black pin on the green piece. We're going to do 2 of those, And then we're just going to connect that onto the bottom. That way it'll make it taller. Thank you very much. From Chuck's Alt Bricks. I'm building these Bricktanicals. This one is a trumpet lily I got from Walmart. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.